Hi, so my name is Akshat Gupta. I am a student of VIT University. My team came up with a solution to come and help the handicapped people as well as the elders. So basically, we thought of different problems the elders as well as handicapped people face and came up with solutions to help them in that. For example, elders are really forgetful. They don't remember what happened 2 seconds ago. So we came up with a solution. We came up with quite a lot of solutions actually. So what happens is we have a system called facial recognition system. Whenever someone comes in front, our wheelchair has a camera. It recognizes that person, adds a tag to it. Suppose I come in front, it'll recognize my face, it'll add a tag, say my name, it's up to us, add Akshat. So the next time I come, it'll again show it. The same way for any n number of people who come in front. So this way, we have a tab attached. The same way you would have seen Stephen Hawking's wheelchair, it has a tablet attached to his wheelchair. We are planning to do something the same way. So basically when someone you already know comes in front of your wheelchair, your tablet will show their details. So this way the elderly person will remember who it is. This is especially useful for Alzheimer's patients because they don't even remember who their own relatives are. They don't remember their children, they don't remember their parents. So this was one solution. Another solution was a lot of handicapped people feel really tired. They feel their energy is getting wasted just trying to move their wheelchair or because they have to depend on someone else to move the wheelchair. So we made an automated wheelchair. Our wheelchair is fully based on voice. So basically if you give a voice command, say I want to go to this place. So you say, hey chair, take me to point A. The chair will automatically take you to point A. You don't need anyone to push your chair. It uses maps integration so it can directly go accurately to the exact location where you want to go. So that is another bonus feature. So and another feature, old people, as I said, are very forgetful. So they tend to forget their phones and everything. You can't expect them to remember to take their phones all the time. They don't even remember the people they know. So we came up with a solution to replace or rather substitute and eliminate the need for a mobile phone. Our smart chair does something like it can do anything and everything a phone can do. You give a command, hey chair, order a pasta from this restaurant. It can do that. Hey chair, give me the weather report. It can do that. Hey chair, tell me the trending news. It will do that. So this is a really good feature for all kind of people, especially elderly people who tend to forget their mobile phones. Another feature we came up with is voice recognition. So what happens is, whenever someone comes and tells something to an elderly person, there's a good chance that they'll forget what was told to them. And sometimes it's really important information like taking in your medicines. So we came up with a system where using NLP we'll detect what was said. We record everything which is said around the wheelchair, and when some keyword is said, say medication, which is a keyword which will be very important to an elderly person, what will happen is it'll get starred. So the next time when after a particular while it'll remind you, it'll show you the recording, it'll tell you that this was said to you at that time, so please make sure you have your medicines. So this way another system of them forgetting is combated. So these were the features we have tried to incorporate into our project. We hope that this project gets selected for the next one. Thank you.
Hi, this is Gauranj and I like their project idea. This was best idea I have ever seen to us, like people like us. So by just saying hey chair, I can go anywhere I want and my muscles actually pains when I actually shift it here and there, but by using this chair I'll be enjoying my life and I'll not be feeling like I am disabled with some ability that everyone is having. So it's a great pleasure and I'm glad that they are doing such things.
I found this idea regarding the chair entirely brilliant. I've been moving this chair too long, and if the person is really heavy, it's kind of too much effort to move it. My arms pain and I have to take stops so that I can regenerate my energy and my stamina. Since the chair will be automatic, it will be really helpful if it could move it on the road. And I have at times tendency to forget things, like my medication, my appointment with the doctor, a lot of things. So if I simply say hey chair, and my chair would simply remind me of such important details, it would be a great help. Plus I am a foodie, and at times I simply forget my phone at places. So since this chair will be linked to my phone, it couldn't be better if I could simply ask my chair to order food for me from various restaurants. In the end, I found the idea brilliant, and I would love if they could implement it.